Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and today I have a cool review for you. It is a drone. I picked this up with Force Flyers, and they sell a ton of different types of drones. This is new to me, so I didn't want to go, with top of the line and then immediately crash it. It's kind of more like a toy slash hobby. But so I'll kind of show you here what I bought. It's the ZF08-2 drone. You can get it on Amazon or you can get it from Force Flyers website directly. It's a great intro drone because it's affordable and you can kind of learn how to control it, and then you can also kind of do drone racing or other various activities. One of the other big features it comes with a FVP camera. So you can take video and still pictures, which if you're a real estate agent, you can feature houses, you can just do action videos, whatever you want to do. So, kind of let me go into what comes in the box. You get the manuals, the instructions, and the app. You need the app in order to do the video. So it's kind of a two-person thing. You open up the app, and that's where you can control taking pictures, and you can control doing the video while you use the remote control itself here to control the drone itself. You don't control it through the app. That was a little confusing when I first got it. It also comes with a couple extra propellers in case you bend yours or break it during a crash. A little screwdriver, which is used to attach the propeller guards. The propeller guards I was not very impressed with. After using it a couple times and having a couple crashes, they started to bend a little bit, and then they started, the propellers themselves started hitting it, so I figured it's easier to just not use them. But, it's an option out there. And then this is the charging cable for the battery. So here is the drone itself. 4 blades, pretty straightforward. You can see the camera here on the bottom. It plugs in right here. It's easy to attach. Has when you turn it on, it has the red and blue flashing light, so you can see it, especially if you're trying to fly at night. Under here is the battery compartment. So this comes off, and then the battery slides out, and this guy right here is what you plug into the charging cable. Now, because like I said, this is an entry-level drone, which is a great price. You're not going to be spending a lot of money if you want to buy it as a holiday or a gift or a toy or something like that. So the battery life is not very long. I would say it lasts about 10 minutes of non-stop flying, but it charges really quick too. So low battery life but quick charge. Other than that, I think it's a great toy. You can have a lot of fun with it. I've been having a lot of fun with the photos. I'm going to post a link to where you can find the drone if you want to check out other reviews or find out more information on it. I'm also going to post a link to my blog, which will show some of the footage that I took from the drone. But other than that, check out, like I said, it's by Force Flyers, the ZF08 drone. And it'll make a great gift this coming holiday season or for somebody's birthday or something like that. So if you're new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe or like button. I'd greatly appreciate it. And until the next review, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.